gun mount should come from the front hand, the left hand. Watch my muzzle, because I'm going to mount this gun and I'm going to pour the right hand in there. And I'm very right-handed. So here's what happens. See that? Watch the barrel. Now I'm going to mount the gun with my left hand and watch how it stays on the line. See the difference? No dipping. So if I want to keep the barrel and the muzzle, I want to keep the muzzle on that line, I want to make sure I use the left hand. The left hand moves first. Does that make sense? All right, Alan, gun's hot. I want you to shoot one target. Thinking about the left hand lead on your call. Oh. Very nice. You see how level his gun stayed that time? Almost every other time you've been pouring that right hand in there just a little bit. Same way with you, Ray. Left hand lead. Left hand lead. Now sometimes when we go back to thinking about the process, takes our eye off the target, well, he never fades on that. Do the same thing. I want you to look at the target, load one shell, lead with the left hand. Keep it, remember, keep that finger pointed at the target. On your call. Cool. Remember, we think and process a little bit, so you took your eye off that target. This time, keep your eye on the target, left hand lead. Cool. No better? That's what we call that from Savannah, Georgia. No better. No better. No better. Very nice. Okay. Left hand lead. What are you looking at? That's right. Left hand lead, look at the feet. Your call. Cool. Awesome. Very good. Left hand lead, Andrew. Hunter, just like I used to be. Man, that thing's gonna get away from me. I'm gonna get there quick. I'm gonna throw that thing. Slow down, Jim. That's a slow target. If I'm gonna be in rhythm with it, my gun movement's gonna be slow. Okay, Jim? Cool. Jim, that was right in rhythm with it. Yep. That 0 ounce load won't kill them very often. Alright, hold on.
You're not cocking the gun. Push it all the way down. Push the gun all the way down.
Just
there you go. Okay. It should go now.
Yeah, that's his gun.
I know.
16 gauge. Open it up.